What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Derek Barron Productions for another video, and I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning back in. A lot of you guys have been tuning in day after day after day after day after day after day. I think that was 6. Anyway, on a serious note though, guys, it does mean the world to me that you come back each day just to watch the content I provide regarding Blue2Valve, Project Foxx, Lucifer. So just remember that. Greatly appreciate you. Anyway, guys, with today's agenda, as you can see, we got Blue2Valve behind me, and if you didn't watch yesterday's video, I highly recommend it because we made some progress with Blue2Valve here, and I'm gonna give you another little sneak peek because I just washed the car, but bang, guys, there's your sneak peek. I'm not gonna say anything other than this freaking blue is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right, hold that. Are you kidding me? Hold on, we gotta go address something real quick. Ford, what were you thinking? You just saw that, right? That's from 1999. This is 2013. Cool color and all, but nice try. But as you guys just saw, I did go ahead and give blue a little wash. It was well needed because it sat underneath the carport for almost 2 months, I think. 2 months without a wash is unacceptable, especially because, you know, this is my baby. And while I was washing this car, guys, I recently just had like such a surreal moment that Blue2Valve is parked once again in the exact spot this whole channel, this whole DBP thing started. So while I was washing it, I was just like, damn, I remember I sold this car to get a 5.0, and when I bought that 5.0, my first reaction was, damn, I shouldn't have sold the car, should have just saved up for a 5.0 because of the same thing like everybody else's. It's okay though, your boy made some moves and we got her back. So on today's agenda, guys, we have to take care of a couple little things. One thing in particular, many of you guys have been jumping down my freaking throat, and we're doing it. We're just gonna kill it, burn it with fire because it deserves that. Okay, not literally, because they're actually very hard to come across. I don't think they make them anymore, but yeah, that's going. Can I go ahead and get a drum roll, please? We did it. We did it. I feel like I should address this because in no way, shape, or form am I a zip tie technician. Had a zip tie on there because that's exactly what was happening on the highway. For all you guys commenting, why do you have a zip tie on your lip? That's why. I think I would do that for fun. Come on now. This is exactly what we're going to be working on today, guys. We're going to start tearing down Blue2Valve very slowly. I'm not going to go and rip absolutely everything off to where it's just a pile of junk sitting here in the driveway, but there are a couple things I want to tackle today, and I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys know exactly what those are. As you just saw, we cut the zip tie to the lip because this disgusting lip is coming off the car once and for all. Although this one might be for sale and I'm trying to make a quick buck on it, I don't know who in their right mind would buy it. I'm just going to leave it at that. That is probably like the most hideous thing that you could put on a Cobra bumper. I wish I had my other lip back. You know, it was just a $300 Cobra lip I had. No big deal. Anyway, we're gonna be removing that along with the front bumper because not only is there a lot of like cracks and stuff in the paint on this bumper, but if you come over here to where the bumper meets the fender, you can obviously tell it's starting to turn into Minion 5.0 with this S550 body line, so no way, no. And since we'll be removing the bumper, we're actually gonna pull the headlights, pull the tail lights as well, because you can see these things are freaking redder than red, and it's ruining my vibe on this car, man. If you guys remember before I sold this car, I had beautiful tinted tail lights with the whole reverse marker cut out and everything, and they were minty, and don't know where those are either. And I was actually considering getting the same headlights that I had in the car when I first sold it. I kind of like these in the design they have, and you can see they have like the LED strip in there. Try to tint those as well, just to give it the look that I once had on it, because, you know, I'm obviously staying black and blue. I kind of like black and blue. If you guys couldn't tell, so basic. I don't know about you guys, but working on this car, filming again, DBP, Blue2Valve, DBP squad, it really does feel like the old days, and I'm absolutely soaking this up because I'm having so much fun, and I feel alive again, man. This car, never going again, ever. Alicia, cue the music. Let's get into this. Now that we got the wheels off, we're able to access the fender liner because we're actually gonna have to take out the little Phillips head screws that hold the fender liner to the bumper. But before we do that, watch this amazing thing about a new Edge Mustang that I used to miss. I was gonna say I missed, but got my new Edge back. This is my absolute favorite part about these cars. Check this out. As I mentioned, I have to remove the headlights. Oh wait, What's that? You want me to remove the headlights? Yeah, let me go ahead and take my bumper off the 5.0 and, you know, do all this and all that. And oh, what? You're done? Yeah, I'm done. What the f is this wire? As I sit here right now, I'm really debating selling these headlights. Should I just buy the ones I had or try to get these tinted and deal with all this wiring bullshit? I don't want to cut it down here on this plug because that's just going to be a pain in the ass. So I'm actually just going to cut it directly in the middle. So all I have to do is just splice it back in the middle there with some solder and shrink wrap. But as far as headlight number 1, we are Gucci. Well, now it's onto the bumper. As you can see, we are just gonna need a Phillips screwdriver to take those fender liner screws out. I'm gonna pull this fender liner back. Now we're gonna go inside the bumper. There's gonna be 2 nuts holding the little bolts that are attached to the bumper into the fenders, which is super simple. Gonna pull those with a socket. You can probably see, I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen these up. Damn, that was the hardest nut I've ever had to work for. No homo. That was at 11. So let's try this 7/16. And ooh, we're good. Let's get it. Oh yeah, so much better. God bless America and our tools. Probably wasn't even made in America. I'm just trying to entertain you guys as I talk and wrench away at my life. So how's your day going? Comment down below. I don't think I really ever asked you guys that. Tell me a little something about yourself. It could be literally anything. As you guys know, I'm probably one of the only creators that goes and tries to respond to every single comment. So comment something down below. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Yada. I don't know if you guys can see, like, look at this. You can see that tab is all bent up, man. So you just come. Oh yeah, these tabs are done. Look at this, dude. Broke the tab completely off. No wonder why it was sagging so bad. I got my fog lights down here. Pull those bulbs. There she is. I do want to say, I know many of you have reached out to me because you know I want a new bumper and have been asking to buy this one. So, you know, 50 bucks. Whoever wants to come and pick it up, $50 for the bumper. You're not getting the bezels or the lip. And since that lip is actually extremely rare, even though it's the ugliest thing ever invented, $100 for the lip. Local pickup only. I'm not shipping. I'm not doing any of that jazz. $50 for the bumper, 100 for the lip, $149 for both. See, that's a sales tactic. Business with DBP. I do want to see what this lip is held on by. So I have to pull that off. Oh my God, are you actually shitting me, dude? What the fuck? It's held in by self-tappers, dude. No, what is you doing? You drill and bolt, man. Drill and bolt with washer nut, not self-tappers, no. Well, that explains why this shit wasn't staying on. Get that shit out of my sight. All right, I just gotta pull the fog lights now. So before I actually go and do anything else, I'm gonna get those wheels put back on and lower it down. Your boy gotta get a thumbnail, so let me do that real quick. Oh, that does look pretty cool. Little intercooler setup. Front bumper's off, lip is off, wheels are back on, and I know I said I was gonna pull these tail lights, but after I got done washing it, which I'm glad I did, you can probably see we got some moisture inside of here, all inside of it. So good news is, in the shed actually, I have another set of stock tail lights, so I'm actually gonna leave these in. There's absolutely no point of taking the time and the money to get a messed up tail light tinted, so I'm just gonna pull the other ones out of the shed. And again, if someone wants this bumper, 50 bucks, $100 for the Magic Drift lip. I know that was like a hot commodity at one point, which punch yourself in the face. That thing is hideous. You're gonna need to take a heat gun to it along with some new paint, but it'll work for your V6 Mustang any day of the week, I promise. But all right, there you guys have it. That is gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. On a serious note though, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't stress that enough. It means a ton to me. It truly does, and I'm just in good spirits, man. We got some big moves coming. We're moving into our new place November 24th. We got a fat garage, got a nice place, moving in with the girlfriend, and God, man, we're making moves. We're making freaking moves, and I can't wait to bring you guys along on these journeys. And today's EBP vlog shout out is going out to 2VAR. That's a beautiful saline you got going on there, man. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. If any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Derek Barron Productions, and make sure you use the hashtag DBP Squad in all your posts. Every time I film a video just like this, it could be any type of vlog, I go to the hashtag, I see you used it, and boom, shout out. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later.